Hello and welcome to today's episode of This Is Not Smart and Don't Do This. I'll be your host, Big Ben. Okay. We have a Ford Focus transmission here, same as the Fiesta. And I wanted to experiment and see if I can reinstall an old clutch without locking it first, or resetting it, whatever you want to call it. And I came up with a dangerous and silly idea here. So, when you put the clutch in and it's not reset, you can't push it down all the way for the snap ring to be able to fit in there. Well, check this out. It's down enough to get the snap ring in. So what I did here is using a ratchet strap with blocks of wood to push down the clutch. I was able to push the clutch down enough to get it past that ridge and compress the pressure plates on the clutch. Now, I did have to occasionally hit the inner race of that bearing there to push the clutch down, and then tighten this, punch down and tighten this back and forth. And eventually there, I did get it down far enough, and it looks like this is a viable option. And I've turned the clutch by hand and make sure nothing's locked up or anything, and this seems like it'll work if you don't want to spend the money to 34 millimeter. Spend the money to buy a driver or the clutch resetting equipment, or your clutch is not resetting for whatever reason, which is common on used clutches. I've experienced that they don't want to reset or lock from a wear and tear. So if you're in a pinch, you don't want to spend the money on a new clutch, which I understand, here you go. But once again, don't do this because there's a risk of personal injury here. If you're going to do this at your own risk, I have the ratchet straps hooked in somewhere firm where they're not going to coming off there. Part of the case with a recess where I can bite into there. And I have this rubber sledge here that's there to hold the two boards from just collapsing inward like that under this pressure. You need something to keep the boards or pieces of wood separated there. But yeah, there you go. I do have videos on, if you're not familiar with my channel, welcome. I do have videos on how to replace the clutch and forks and all that with no special tools. I've got a playlist on my channel with all my Focus transmission videos. There's over 100 videos to help you out. So please hit that button and hit that subscribe button if you want to watch the rest of them. I mean, I guess you don't need to subscribe to watch, but yeah, just wanted to throw that out there. Okay. And once again, if you have any Ford Focus transmission questions, I'm more than happy to help. I'm a Ford tech, ex-Ford tech with 12 years of experience building these transmissions. Happy to help. Okay. Have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye.